Hello there! Today, we're going to embed a Facebook post into Elementor. For that, we're going to use the custom iFrame plugin by Coders Studio. It helps you embed almost anything on your website. It's light, easy to use, and works great with Elementor. So let's get the plugin on your WordPress site. Step 1. Install and activate the custom iFrame plugin. Open your WordPress dashboard. Navigate to Plugins. Add New. Search for Custom iFrame by Coders Studio. A plugin card will show up. Hit Install Now, then Activate. This plugin can embed PDFs, social posts, Google Docs, videos, audios, web pages, basically anything with a link. Alright, plugins live. Let's embed your Facebook post in Elementor. Step 2. Get the Facebook post link. Open Facebook and navigate to the post you want to embed. Click on 3 dots at the top right of the post. Then, click on Embed option and copy the code. Now open Notepad and paste the code. Then, copy the iFrame SRC link from the embed code. Now, step 3. Add the custom iFrame widget in page. Go to the page or post where your Facebook post needs to shine. Click Edit with Elementor. In the widget panel, search Custom iFrame. Drag and drop the widget right into your layout. Step 4. Embed Facebook post in Elementor. Go to Content. Into Source URL field, paste the link. Now let's customize the widget settings. Set the height and enable lazy load for better performance. Now in the Style tab, set up the width, border, box shadow to match the Facebook post with your site's design. Finally, save your changes. Click Update or Publish, and that's done. Your Facebook post is live on your site. Check Caption to get doc guide and important links. That's how embedding Facebook post is simple with custom iFrame plugin by Coders Studio.